Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the greatest Igbo man alive. Massive shout out from 10 content creators. Thank you very much for speaking out. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Free Biafra. Biafra referendum now.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I love you.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
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 Oga Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
My beloved father, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Nnamdi Kanu.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Otuto ọbụla na-enye ya n'olu ya. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ojugudo onwe gị, ị ga-anọnwu this long without giving up inside prison. Only Master Fabia, only find a sign, see what take a sign and keep it in a prison. You think it's easy? That man is worthy to be a leader. He's truly an Igbo man. Zbotoni Bokalaka. With a strong mind. The love is massive. I'm happy that our brothers are beginning to come back. Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nwoke ike. Ijele nwoke. I think about for gonna give me a Beledeke Jamadike. Che! Who are you not to love him? Who are you not to love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? He do you anything? Will you make it? But come on, we hear Nnamdi Kanu make it. He need an name, but he can work him mad. Cause no them as an ika gum. But so when he give up, the man has refused giving up. Regardless of what he's passing through in the prison. Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi, uncle, daddy, our loving uncle and daddy and brother. We are telling you today that we always have you in our mind. We have never forgotten. We will never forget what you did for us and still doing for us. Because Madowa, Ike na agwụ mmadụ anya bụ Chukwu. Onye ọ ga-agba bụrụ kịta otego ọpụtadịrị sịfa adị m emeze. After all, ụfọdụ ndị ọ na-agbalụ mbọ achọ dị ịma. But you kept on pushing, you kept on going. Na-ata arụ na prison. God.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the great leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, said this to me few years ago. Only those who are sincere and genuine in heart can endure till the very end. In this movement, those who come for money, popularity, sabotage, eye service, indiscipline, disobedience and dishonesty will fade away into thin air in no time. Only those who are called by God for this movement will continue to remain untainted and keep fighting relentlessly until the very end. We must continue in our fights for freedom because we Biafrans do not give up. We must keep pushing until the very end. We must not lose focus or be distracted. The foundation of IPOB remains unshakable and forever solid. IPOB remains forever committed to serving and protecting the interest, welfare and liberation of our people and Biafra. That's what we're here for. No one said it will be easy. We must not give up but stay strong, remain fearless and more united than ever before. We can't afford to lose in this fight for our freedom and remain slaves forever. It is better to die fighting for freedom than being prisoners all the days of our lives. It's better to die on one's feet than to live on one's knee. IPOB remains undefeated and unbreakable. At the end, we must surely win. These were the strong words of encouragement by our great leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you know, you know. In the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. God bless Biafra, IPOB, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Iwete buken na gofo pamo nibo onibu Iwete buken na tinu pamo nibo onibu Iwete buken na goji pamo nibo onibu Onibo kambunenu without apology Onibo kambunenu till infinity ebe ndị ọzọ jelu mkpalaka onye Igbo ji enyo bulike ebe ọ bụ na ijere iburu onye Igbo malụ n'obodo abụtiri eti maka na gburugburu ụwa niile o nwere ebe onye Igbo na-anọghị gwazi etinye ọ bụrụgodo na London Igbo nọ na down to China Igbo nọ na down to Kenya Igbo nọ na down to India Igbo nọ na ọ bụrụgodo na Germany Igbo nọ na down to Italy Igbo nọ na down to Cameroon Igbo nọ na ya na Mozambique Igbo nọ na ifugo Igbo zuru mba ụwa ọnụ Igbo amaka mma Igbo amaka Igbo dị ụsọ ụwa m ụwa asaa onye Igbo ka mma bụ nwanne m ya bụ na inweta m uke na-agba mbọ